In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline a stroke in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to convert any stroke into a clean vector shape that you can edit point by point, and you'll understand what changes once it's outlined. First, a quick overview of what outline stroke actually means. In Figma, a stroke is the border or line that sits on the edge of a shape, a path, or even text with a stroke applied. When you outline a stroke, you're turning that border into its own vector shape, with fills and editable anchor points. This is especially helpful when you need precise control over curves, corners, or custom shapes that can't be achieved by simply changing stroke weight or alignment. Let's start with the fastest approach, the keyboard shortcut. Select any object that currently has a stroke. This could be a line, a rectangle or ellipse, a vector path, or text with a stroke. With it selected, press Ctrl plus Alt plus O on Windows, or Command plus Option plus O on a Mac. The moment you do, Figma converts the stroke into a vector path. You'll notice anchor points appear around what used to be the stroke. From here, you can switch to the vector or pen tools and adjust handles, reshape corners, or tweak curves with full precision. If you prefer using the interface, there's a simple right-click method. Select the object that has a stroke, right-click directly on it, and choose Outline Stroke. Instantly, Figma turns that stroke into a vector layer that behaves like any other filled shape. You can enter vector edit mode, select individual points, and move or curve segments to match your design intent. Now, here's what changes after outlining. Before outlining, your shape has a stroke that you can style, adjusting weight, cap and join types, color, dashes, and position. After outlining, that stroke becomes a filled vector shape. You're no longer editing a border property, you're editing the geometry of a shape. This gives you granular control over anchor points and Bezier handles, but stroke-specific settings, like weight or inside-outside alignment, are no longer available because the object isn't a stroke anymore. A couple of practical notes to keep your workflow smooth. Outlining is a one-way conversion, so it's wise to keep an original version if you think you'll need to change stroke weight or alignment later. Also, once outlined, the appearance should remain the same, but the behavior changes. You're manipulating a filled contour rather than a live stroke. Use this when finalizing icons, logos, or complex details where exact vector control matters.